And once you click on create, you're going to do, for this one, you're going to do a custom dimension. So click on custom dimension, and the standard size for it, website banners, it should fit on your Shopify or Wix website, or mainly any website. If it doesn't, you can always go ahead and resize it. But the standard is, your width would be 1350 and your height is 500. Then you're going to go to create. Then once you go to create, it shows you the size of it right here. So under create, you want to go ahead, and this is mainly the banners that you all see that are most popular for, like boutiques, hair supply stores, hair websites, or what have you. But you're going to go to create, and once you click on here, you can go ahead and let's change this to let's do black. We'll have the background in black. Black always looks clean, luxurious, professional to me, so we'll do that black. So then you want to go to your elements, and under elements you'll go down to your shapes and you'll do see all. And for the shapes, we're going to click on here. So let's go ahead and resize it to make it a nice banner. And then what we can do, we can just duplicate this. You can click up at the top to duplicate it. And we're going to drag it over here. But you're going to, of course, have to flip it around so that it can be the opposite way over here. And then you'll go like that. Alright, and let's just go ahead and select a color for those. Let's do pink. Pink and black is always beautiful. Alright, so after you do that, so most of the time, most banners, website banners, the more popular ones too these days, it's always some glitter or something blingy that's going on. So what you can do is you'll go over to you can open up another tab and go to, and you can Google, let's see, glitter background. Okay, so let's see what they have for glitter background. That's pretty. Alright, so we'll do this one. So what you can do in order to download that glitter background, let's click on it and we'll go ahead and save it to our downloads. Let's go back to our design. Alright. Once you go back to your design, you want to click on uploads, and then you'll upload image. Let's do downloads. Alright. Alright, and there it is. So you have to wait till it uploads. And once it uploads, see how it looks on here, but we're not going to keep that like that. We want to add some border to our pink half triangles. So what we can do is, let's stretch it out, and then we'll make them a little smaller, right? Alright, let's see. So it can fit. Let's let it fit like that. I think that's too. Make it a little smaller. Or no, let's do it a little like that, y'all. How that look? Alright. So to take the legwork out of having to resize it and everything over there, you want to click on it, and then we'll just duplicate it. So then you can drag it over to your other triangle image. And let's get it flush in there. Alright. Okay. Alright, so after we do that, let's go ahead and add some images. And again, Shopify already has, we can use stock photos that they already have in stock. So you just go to photos and you can look for let's see, some women. Let's say we're doing a athletic website for women athletic wear. So on here, you just click the image and it'll add it to it. But then, of course, you don't want the background on here. And there's other, if you have your own images and you're not good with Adobe and Photoshop, you can go ahead and download the app called Bazaar on your phone. Or you can go to Remove Background on Google. And it's a website called remove.bg. And you can get you can remove any background off any picture, and I'll put the links to it below. But here, this is a Shopify image here. So what you can do is click on effects, and you'll go ahead. Let's remove that background from her. Alright, so I removed it. So you can do her right there. And I seen another. Alright, we can do her. Let's remove the background from her. Alright, she's good. So then you can add, you can do her right there. Or if you want to kind of turn her, however you want to do it. Alright, y'all see how that's coming together? It looks pretty good. Alright. And you can flip this so she can be the other way. You can put her there. Let's straighten her out. Alright. So let's look for, we can do some, get out of the shapes. Let's go to, I'll just use my logo, let's see, for my clothing. It's already in my uploads. So I can go ahead and scroll to it. It's right here. So go ahead and scroll it. Alright. Alright guys, my internet Canva is acting up on me, but let's see. Move it over right there. Alright, let's see, right there. Okay. Alright. We're going to go back. Just undo. There we go. Okay. Right. Okay. So you see the St. Lux apparel, and we can add something else that I put on there. I'm just playing with it. Yours don't have to look like this, but it's just giving you all some ideas. Make it smaller. And then drag it. Drag it down. Alright. You just go ahead and play with that part and drag it over some. Okay. So you see, and that's all you have to do. Then once you are done with it, you can go ahead and save it. Click on download. And then you just save it. Download it and it'll save to your computer. Preparing your design. Alright, and see how that looks. So that'll show up. That'll be at the top of your page. And you can just create and put in what you need to put in on there. See how that looks? Looks pretty good, right? So guys, that is how you create your website banner for your Shopify or Wix website, or for any website. It's the standard size banner. You can also utilize this banner again, like I said, for Facebook. So you guys, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what other videos you guys want to see me do, or what other tutorials you guys are interested in. Thank you all for watching my channel, watching this video. See y'all on the next one.